Hello everyone, welcome back to Tools and Machine. Today we are going to talk about a very useful woodworking tool called the wood router. This machine is widely used in carpentry workshops and furniture factories to create beautiful designs and precise cuts in wood. A wood router is a powerful electric tool that spins a cutting bit at very high speed. This rotating bit removes wood from the surface and allows the user to shape, trim, or carve different patterns. Because of its accuracy and versatility, the wood router is considered one of the most important tools in woodworking. One of the main uses of a wood router is making grooves and channels in wood. These grooves are often needed when building cabinets, drawers, and wooden frames. The router helps create smooth and perfectly straight grooves that fit pieces of wood together. Another important use of the wood router is shaping the edges of wood. For example, when making tables, shelves, or doors, the edges can be rounded or decorated using special router bits. This gives furniture a professional and attractive finish. Wood routers are also used for decorative woodworking. Skilled carpenters use them to carve patterns, letters, and unique designs on wooden surfaces. With the right bit and steady control, a router can create beautiful artistic details. There are different types of wood routers available. The most common ones are fixed base routers and plunge routers. A fixed base router keeps the cutting depth constant, while a plunge router allows the bit to move up and down, making it easier to start cuts in the middle of a piece of wood. Safety is very important when using a wood router. Because the bit spins at very high speed, users should always wear safety glasses